Why don't you get a life and leave the flame behind? And